So today I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube paid me for a 2,000 views I got in one of my videos in the other of my channel. Yes, I got 2,000 views and I decided to make this video because that particular channel, recently I decided to change niche. Before I used to do mukbang, and recently I decided to move to YouTube growth because of some circumstances that I might not be mentioning here. You understand? So that was why I decided to change niche. And ever since I changed niche, obviously the views dropped because I used to preach about maintaining one niche. Because if you are doing this and you're doing that, the algorithm will be confused on where to channel your videos to, which audience to channel your videos to. So obviously when I changed my niche, it affected me, it affected my channel. My audience I had while I was doing mukbang, they are entirely different people from the audience that enjoy watching you teach them about how to grow on YouTube. You understand? So obviously they are not really interested in watching you. It made some of my videos not getting enough views, and I think it will take a lot of time for everything to get normal again. But regardless, we move. I'm not going to delete anything in that channel because it's monetized. Yes, if I delete any video, I might be losing some watch hours, of which I'm not ready to. And once YouTube monetize you, you have to maintain that or those requirements you met before YouTube monetize your channel, the watch hours and everything. You have to maintain it. If it goes below that, they might demonetize your channel. So with that, I decided not to delete anything. Yes, thank God I have other channels that I'm also running, which the other one is also monetized too. So today, after posting those videos, I was able to gather 2,000 views, and in today's video I decided to make a video on how much YouTube paid me for that 2,000 views. I'll be walking you through my YouTube studio to show you my CPM. Yeah, CPM means how much advertisers paid per 1,000 views, and the RPM too, how much I actually made after YouTube have taken their own cut. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you all that, and I will also show you where my main audience are coming from too, because for YouTube to pay you, one of the factors that determines how much YouTube pay per 1,000 views is the location of your audience, where your audience are. I made a video about that in that channel. I have a video about this topic that I mentioned now, where your audience will come from and you will earn high. You can go, I will attach the channel so you can go and watch that video if you're interested. Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing all these things with you, and without wasting much of our time, let's enjoy this video. Hi everyone, my name is Calista, and in this channel we talk about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and making money online. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, and today is the first day you're coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe and leave your comment on the comment section. Okay, let's dive into this video. Let's go to our YouTube studio without wasting much of our time. So far so good. I was able to get 2,000 views on this video, and these are how my viewers found this video through YouTube recommendation. About 1,600 people, YouTube recommended this video to them. Then YouTube other features 148, direct unknown 56, channel pages 49, and others. Other means that people got to see the video. Maybe people shared the video and they got to see it. So this is the audience retention. I have 24%, 24.8% of audience retention, meaning that 47% of viewers are still watching at around the 0.30 mark, which is above typical. Yeah, and in this audience retention, I also have top moments. Top moments means that people got engaged while they were still watching the video. So the video is a tutorial video, and many people have chatted me after using this method. I know 2 people have been monetized because to them they said they have gotten their their subscribers, but the watch hour seems not to, watch hour is hard to complete. So after watching this video and they applied everything their channel got monetized, and I'm happy about that. 2 people, they sent me email. So the top moment means that people were really engaged while they were watching this video. And deep, you know, while some people are watching, towards the end of the video, they might get stressed out, or they might lose focus. So I also have deep anyway. So that is it. The real time, the video is more than 1 month now. So for the past 48 hours, 19 people were still watching, and this is where they got to see the videos, browse features. That's why I always talk about optimization. If you optimize web, always create a searchable content, so that when somebody goes to search button to search for your video, they will be able to see it. So because I optimized, people searched, they browsed and saw my videos and watched it. Then other YouTube features, other YouTube search, playlist is very important too. I always talk about playlist. If all your videos are not on playlist, you are dulling. Be it short, be it long form videos, and your live video, always keep them on a separate playlist, so that you will not be stressed out. So let's go to the reach. So far so good. YouTube recommended this video to 28,900 people. Yeah, 28,900 people. YouTube showed this video. Both people that have watched and rewatched, YouTube have shown this video to this number of people. And this is how the viewers found this. Browse features, because I optimized well. Other YouTube features, suggested videos, direct or unknown. Yeah, so these are the sites, the external sites they saw the videos from. Maybe people share this video on WhatsApp, because I know I didn't share any video on WhatsApp. Yeah, I didn't share to anybody. I don't used to share my video on WhatsApp. Instead, to social media, other of my social media platform, but I hardly do that anyway. And for this particular video, I didn't share it to anywhere. So obviously people shared it on WhatsApp. That was why external sites are saying that people were watched through WhatsApp. So the YouTube search terms, restream or restream tutorial, because I optimize, you have all these tags and hashtags. They are very important. People search for those things, and if you optimize well, they might see your videos from there. That's why they searched for this one and they restream, and they were able to see my videos. So I also have other content that are suggesting these videos. You understand? I have this guy, then this guy, even Sonia's content was recommending my videos, Chamaka Zone, and other people. Then playlist, nobody watched this video through playlist. So let's go to the engagement. So for the watch time, I was able to gather 108 watch hour for this particular video. So the top remix, I remixed this video into shorts. So that was why it's telling you total remix. Just once I remixed it, and because of the channel, the niche I changed is affecting everything. So people didn't really watch the shorts, only 78 people. So this is the audience retention. Okay, I have mentioned about audience retention before. So these are the people that liked it. So let's go to the audience now. For the returning viewers, I only have 38 people. Obviously it's normal, because I'm trying to build new audience, because the old audience I had was people that are interested in mukbang. They are not interested in this one. So I'm trying to build another audience. So it's only 38 people that are returning viewers. Other people, they are new viewers. You understand? So this is the device they watched from. Number one is mobile. Almost 76% of people watch through with their phone, 15% watch with their computer, 5.7% with their television, then laptop or tablet, 2.8%. And I saw one video that said if people are watching your videos from mobile, you're going to earn higher. Is one of the factors. I don't know, I don't really know, but I don't know if it's true. Let it be if it's not. So these are the age limit or age bracket of people that watch this video. 49% of people that watch it, they come from people between 25 to 34 years. Then why 51% of people came from 35 between 35 and 44 years old. And they also said that how much YouTube pays also determines, that is, this is one of the factors too that determines how much you earn. And the gender, the male are leading. Male they are about 52%, while female 47%. So this is the main cocoa, the top geography of people that watched your video, or that your main audience, or people that are watching your videos. My Naija people, they are topping the charts with 34.8%, followed by USA and United Kingdom. And we all know that if your viewers are coming from these top tier countries, I also made video about this particular topic in that the other of my channel, where your audience will come and you will earn higher, which is US, UK, Canada, Australia, all these first world countries. So if your audience are coming from there, obviously you are going to earn high. You understand? Then I also made video about this subtitle and all those stuff. This place, it will enable people that are not speaking your language. If you optimize your videos very well, you're going to be going far, because it's not only to make video and put out there. You have to optimize this top subtitle. If you can see, you see Greek. People from Greek, they are watching. They watch it in their own language because I enabled one setting in this particular video. All my videos I used to optimize, I used to enable them. You understand? And if I click, you might even see other countries. Yeah, Indonesia, Portuguese. Not only this one. These are for between May 15 and I have other people, Thailand, Haiti. Yeah. So they watch this video in their own language. I also made video about these things. If you're making your videos, if you're optimizing your videos and you're enabling some settings in your YouTube studio, your video is going to go far. And this dubbing of a thing, it will enable people that don't speak English to watch your videos in their own language. You made this video in English language, but they're watching it in their own language. So it will make people from different places, that is enough audience to be able to watch those videos. It's really nice. So if you want me to make another video, anyway, I will still make that video, those same video, and post to this channel too, so that my people that are not following that channel will also get to see it. So here, people that are not subscribed, they watch this video more than people that are subscribed, obviously, because the channel, just like I said, I changed niche. So I'm trying to build new audience. So people that are not subscribed, they watched more. So let's go to the revenue now. The cocoa, the oga, yeah, while we are here. So far so good. The revenue, this is how much I made my money through watch paid adverts. We all know that it's through adverts that YouTube pays. It's money that advertisers pay that YouTube pay us. You understand? So the video performance now, for the revenue, the CPM, how much advertisers paid for this per 1,000 views is 6.83 cents. 6083 cents. This revenue, this CPM, it was more than this before, because I noticed that when your video is published, the first time they will post your CPM and RPM, as time goes on, it will keep decreasing. It will keep reducing. It was up to 11 euro something, if I'm not mistaken, the first few days this video came up. So with time, it started reducing. Even there is the other video I posted the other day. The CPM was, is it 23 euro, and the RPM there is 16 euro. If it's still that figure, I'm going to put it in this video so that you see. So there is money on YouTube. If you are thinking of quitting, my dear, don't even do that. But you have to choose a niche that is reasonable. Yeah. So advertiser pays 6.83 cents, and my RPM, funny enough, this RPM, how much I made before, it used to be 2 90 something cents, but now it has come up to 3 cents. So it used to change like this. It's either it increase or reduce, maybe depending on the performance of the video anyway. So the RPM, I was YouTube paid me per 1,000 view, they paid me 3 cents. So at the end of the day, I was able to make, for that 2,000 views, I was able to make 6 cents. And one thing about YouTube, if you're creating a reasonable content, in the sense that you're creating a searchable content, or content that will, people, when they come the next 100 years, they will still be able to watch those videos and the video will be useful to them. This video will keep making you money as long as your YouTube is still up and running. It will keep generating you money till 100 years time. So the video is here, the revenue will keep coming. So this is how much I was able to make, €6.15 for these 2,000 views. Yeah, and this is the how my advert played, how people watched my advert. You know, they have different types of advert. Skippable advert, those adverts that when they're playing, they will play small, they will show skip, you skip. Then they have display ads, they have non-skippable, they have bumper ads. All those ones, that was how people watched how they watched my advert, so that I was able to get paid for this video. So guys, I must tell you, I want to give you an advice now. If you're thinking of quitting this YouTube, at the time I wanted to quit, but I'm not gonna do that, because so far so good. This online money, it is sweet. I'm not gonna lie you, it is sweet. So if you're thinking of quitting, don't even take it as an option. You understand? Just keep pushing. Even if you're posting and you feel that people are not watching your videos, or your videos is not impacting people enough, or they're not even clicking, you're not getting views, you're not getting subscribers, like don't quit. Keep going. One day, that one video that will blow your channel, that will make your channel to be noticed, will come up. I am telling you from experience. This is my 3rd channel. I'm telling you from experience. You understand? And if you want to grow your channel, I have a Telegram group where we help each other grow, where we help each other grow. In one of my channel, I also thought about how you can double your watch hours for you to get monetized. You know, this YouTube, after some time, and your watch hours, not after 1 year, your watch hours you accumulated, if you're not still monetized, YouTube will start removing those ones that is up to 1 year. So you have to do something. You have to work hard and make sure your video is up and running. Make sure you gather that watch hours this year. This year is not going to pass this year, so make sure you gather those watch hours so that your channel will get monetized. So if you think that this video is helpful to you, click on that subscribe button, like, comment and share, and see you guys in my next one.